Number 11, the scatter plot below shows population of a small town, Y. The population is Y, based upon the time in years X since the town was founded. Founded means since the town existed. All right, so which equation best represents the line of best fit? Now remember, the line of best fit is the line that best fits the data. Now, if I use, oh my goodness, it keeps happening. All right, if I use the first and last point, that looks to be a pretty good line of fit. Most of the points hover around that line. So that's what I'm going to use to calculate this line of best fit. Now notice every one of my choices is already in slope-intercept form. That's awesome because I'm going to use my calculator. I'm going to put in this point and I'm going to put in this point. And I'm going to let the calculator give me that line. All right, so what is this point? This is 0, 0. And this is, let's see, if that's 200, looks like we're counting by hundreds. So my X value is 8. So after 8 years, we have a population of 300. All right, let me make sure that looks like 300. All right, so I'm going to put these in the good old calculator. Let me bring that back up. Now, one thing I've already done. I have already cleared my list, so I'm going to stat. I'm going right to edit. Again, I already cleared my list. I did that, and I showed you how to do that, I believe, in number 5. So I'm not going to do that again. I'm just going right to edit. So I'm going to put in my first value is going to be 0, 0. So I've got a 0 for X, 0 for Y. And I'm entering these in a little bit different than last time. 0, 0. And then I'm going to enter in 8, 300. So 8 for my X and 300 for my Y. Going back to stat, I'm going to calculate linreg again. I want a linear regression. Enter through the menu. And I end up with y equals 37.5. Okay, so remember, this is my slope, this is my y-intercept, so I'm not going to actually have I don't have a b. So I'm just going to have y equals 37.5x. So y equals 37.5x. Y equals 37.5x. Right, let's look at our choices here. Well, notice we do not have, in this case, we do not have a y-intercept, so any choice with a y-intercept isn't going to do. Also notice we do not have a negative slope. We've got a positive slope. This is a negative slope right here. That's out of the question. So it looks like our only choice is D. Now, again, if you have any doubt that 100 thirds is close to 37.5, again, we're getting an estimate. We're getting close. It may not be exact. It's going to be close. Let me not say the word close again. So let me clear. I'm going to type in 100 divided by 3, and I end up with 33.3, and that is about what we got. Answer D.